Oh my god, guys, yes, it's given me my $100 free Xbox gift card code, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go and get your very own, guys. So I was looking this morning for a working and legit method to get a free Xbox code and gift card codes in 2024. And I was searching the internet, trying pretty much everything, guys, but I finally managed to find a method that's going to get you your very own free Xbox gift card. You can also get a bunch of other gift cards as well and other rewards such as free games. And I'm going to show you exactly how to go and do that, guys. So you need to use your mobile phone. You can see here, guys, I've got my iPhone, and you need to open up the internet. So you got to go to your internet. Where we go down here, and you've got to go to this website. So type it exactly how I'm going to type it here, guys. www.cell, so CELL, hero, HERO.XYZ. So make sure you go to this website, guys. If you need to, you can pause the video. It's very important you type it like this. And you're going to come across this reward site, guys, and it says redeem your reward. Receive a reward by completing quick and easy and fun tasks. And this is fun. So this is going to basically allow you to choose a Xbox gift card code once you fully complete these steps. And it says how to receive your chosen reward easily. Click the button to see your tasks. Make sure you're on a mobile device, not a PC. So that's why I said it's important to use your mobile. And it says choose and complete 2 of the tasks. Make sure to follow the instructions for each carefully. And then it says choose and claim your desired reward. So you need to click this button here, and you're going to see this screen here, guys, and it says claim your reward. And it basically gives you a set of instructions. It says you have to complete 2 of these things on this page, and it's going to allow you to redeem, in this case, your free Xbox gift card code once you pass this step. So I've got a list of different tasks here, and you can see, guys, they range from downloading and playing free games. So this one at the top is a game. I need to download the game and play until I complete village level 3. Alternatively, you may see some surveys where you just need to complete surveys and fully finish them. So let me go ahead and complete 2 of these, guys. I'll pause the video and then I'll return. Right, guys, okay, so I've just finished 2 of these tasks, making sure I fully completed the instructions. And now if I press my tabs button down here, come on, press it. Sorry, guys, there you go. I've now got this tab here, guys, and I click on it, and it brings me to this page. And now on this page, all I have to do is basically look for the Xbox gift cards page. So that's the reward I want to choose. I'm going to click on that. And there you go, guys. You can click on the $100 gift card if you wish, and it's going to basically give you the full code there, which you can redeem on your Xbox. But there are tons of other rewards that you can choose from as well. So super easy, actually, guys. So all you have to do is head on over to cellhero.xyz. Make sure you go to this website, guys, and follow through the instructions and enjoy your free Xbox gift card codes. Peace out.